Hey guys, my name is Rose and this is the Bookshelf Tour 3. So let's do this one from the bottom up just so that I know how much time I have to talk about the stuff on the top because there's a lot on the top. So yeah, so this is bottom shelf. The bottom shelf is kind of bare. I mean, they're all kind of full-ish, but yeah. I have like this little rock that I put here, like, because it matched the wasabi out of this wasabi and ginger like duo plush thing. It's so cute. And I have like two face washes here. One is a scrub, one is like a regular face wash. They're just in the corner right now because I don't know where else to put them, but yeah. And then over here I have this little box which has acrylic powder, a little jar that I used when I did acrylics, and I have the nail liquid on top. I don't really like to do it because it smells really bad. And this is just like a box. I think I got this from like I thrifted it. It's like classic Winnie the Pooh because I love Winnie the Pooh. So it's just one of these little like. So it has some like nail stuff in it, which I'm thinking about like getting rid of because like I don't really do that stuff anymore. I did it like 5 or 6 times, like not even on me. Like I think I did it on me maybe once, and then mostly on my sisters. But yeah, so I'll just, and then these books are like just my classic books. Like I have, like that's for whatever. I have Ronald Dahl. I have like stuff like that. I have Lord of the Rings books. I have it in a little box. I got that whole box set for like $2. Awesome thrift find. But yeah. Okay, let's go to the next shelf. So this is this shelf. I have this my Coca-Cola mug with some paints, and I have like this lid I used it to mix this purple. And this is gouache, so I can just rehydrate it. So I just keep the lid to keep the purple. And I have this disposable, like it was like a hotel cup. So I just use it for my paint water. Although it's starting to get stained pretty bad, so I should probably get a new cup. But yeah, so that's in this corner. Always I have these 4 coasters. They're the suits. There's 2 black ones and 2 red ones, so they have those. I rarely use them. And then I have a little Bath and Body Works candle lid that I use as a paint palette to mix my paints on. So yeah, that's mostly what I use. And I have this is a little snake skin I found outside. It's probably a garter snake skin. I don't know. I found it like this, and I just think it looks really cool. Let's see if you can. It doesn't want to focus really well, but yeah, I just thought it was cool. It's kind of all dried out and stuff, and it's cool. I have a paw of a robin's egg on my dresser too, so I like finding like little things that I think look cool. Yeah, and I have these 2 balls that I found at the store. I just thought they were really cool. Like they're like sand balls, and this has like shells on it and has like little waves. And I don't know what these are, but I thought they were cool. So I don't know what my little Hot Topic +1 card is here, but yeah, that's there. I have these little like binocular looking things. There. That still has the price tag on them, but it's on the bottom, so it's like just a small little thing. I have this candle, which this is a peach candle. This is the other one. This has starfish on it, and I just thought these looked cool. They're like really they're like rough texture. They kind of feel like sandpapery, but I thought they looked cool. Like they're kind of cracky in the middle, but I don't really care. I think it makes them feel like they have a story. I don't know what this story are. I kind of wish I knew, but yeah. So yeah, and then like these are the books. I'm not to like go through the books because that would take forever, but I'm just to show you kind of. The next, this is this. The next shelf, I have, this is 100% pure acetone. I don't really use this. I use it when I do like my sister nails or like my mom's toes. I use a peel off base coat because I like to change my nails like around every 3 days. Like I just painted them this morning and the yellow that is usually on the shelf is not there because I painted them. It's still on my table, but, and right next to it I have the nail polish that are currently in a project pan. I have this little card from ColourPop that I got on my most recent order. I thought it looked really cool. I think these are carnations. I mean, they kind of look like they could maybe be roses, but I think they're more carnation-y. And they're really pretty. I love the color of this. So yeah, I have that. I also have a collapsible spray bottle here that I haven't used in a long time, but I like having a spray bottle just in case I need it for something. And I have some cotton balls, and I have the rest of the cotton rounds that I own. I used to have like 2 packs of these. This is all I have left. So I don't know. I remember my mom like found a whole bag of cotton balls. So like she just found them. So like I'm like, okay, I'll use them eventually. So I just keep like I think this is a snack bag full of them up here. I just pick one of them to use. I don't really have a preference. So yeah. Then I have the Harry Potter plush that I got. Then over here I have this whale I painted. I call him the depressed whale. He has black eyes with red X's on them. He's kind of chipped really bad. I don't remember when I painted him. I think it was in high school or something. But yeah, he's like a tealy green on the bottom, and then he's purple on top. He's very dusty too, but he's right there. He's just a cute little whale. I have this okay, that stuff all. I have this thing which I drank these as a kid, and then I got like found them in store for a while, and I started getting them a lot for a while, and then this came in one of the boxes to make. So it's just a little like paper card that I made that always falls off my bookshelf, but it's cute. I like it. And then I have this that I got from the Morton Arboretum. This is 100% recycled paper. It's a postcard. But I just keep it as decoration. But I really like it because I love foxes. And this is advice from a fox. Rely on your instincts, have a playful spirit, find a cozy den, be bright-eyed and bushy-tailed, stop, look, listen, be light on your feet, have good senses. Then this is, I think, the guy who did it, Ian, is it I-L-A-N? I don't know what that name would be. Shamar, I don't know what that is, but I really love this postcard. I like how it has like these shiny bits, but I really love the color of it too. And Don't Fall Over, and then like those are the books that are on here. Like I have just random books everywhere. I feel like my bookshelves don't really have an order to them. The next is this shelf, which I have a heap ton of stuff on. Like I got these little stones, and I tried to kind of put them by things that like matched. So this one and this one kind of matches. This guy, which I got this year too. He's so cute. He's a little, what are they called again? What are they called? It's from Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory or whatever. Or Charlie and the Chocolate. I forget which one is which. I forget. The one with Gene Wilder, the good one. But Oompa Loompa, that's what it's called. But he's so cute. He's just super cute. I have another one of those little chess pieces. This is one of the guys in the robe. I forget their name. I have a Valentine back here. This one I got from my nephew. It has a sticky thing that you could like stick on the wall. But it still has a little plastic thing on it. And then this sign I got from Target probably years ago, like in the dollar section, the like $1 to $3 section. So it says Hello Fall. I just keep it on my shelf all year round because I love fall. So yeah, and I have my little mini Tatcha, the rice enzyme polish, the rice polish, whatever it's called, the rice polish. This is just a classic one, and that's where I keep it. I have this origami water lily. These I fold these. I used to fold these a lot, but you always have to glue these down or else they pop up. So if you're doing these and they don't stay down, just glue them in. That one's really dusty. I have these two. Will not focus on their faces, but these two are right by each other because they look like they go together. So yeah, I need to dust my shelves. I like never do that. I have a flask in here. I don't know. I just thought it was cool. I put it there. So yeah, I have a little origami giraffe. Then I have one floating candle because I used to have a pack of them. But I'm like, I don't think I'll ever use them, but I kind of want to keep just one. So I'm like, okay, I'll keep one and then give the rest away. So yeah, and then this is my paintbrush cup that's here. And then I recently got these two. I got these two in the same trip. I got the Oompa Loompa. I have a black one and a white one, and they match. Like, at first I saw the white one and I put it back down, and then I saw the black one. I'm like, oh my god, I need this. And I need to get his friend now because they match and I can't separate them. And here I have a little pencil case. I mostly use this. I got this from the dollar store. It has a little fox on it. It says be clever. Mostly use this when I like go on a trip and I put my toothbrush and toothpaste in this pouch. I mean, it's pretty long, so it's like nice. And then I have this right here, which I got from like Too Cool or whatever. It's Fairy Tale. It has like the keys in it. I paid like $40 for it. But yeah, that's just right there. I wear it sometimes. I haven't worn it in a while, but I haven't watched Fairy Tale in a while either. But yeah. Then we're gonna go up to the next shelf, which the biggest thing on here is this little double-sided chalkboard. It's one of those like folding like kind of easily ones. I got that from the Target like dollar spot too. It has nothing on it right now. Sometimes I write things on it, sometimes I don't. I just usually leave it blank though. And then I have this cute little sock monkey with a little hat, and he has a little like flannel shirt, and he's so cute. And then I got this one. I recently went with the bears and stuff. This little puzzle sock monkey, and I was like, I need to put him next to the other sock monkeys, but he didn't fit like down here, so I kind of squeezed him in up on top, so he's kind of like hanging out, but I still think he's super cute right there. Like, he's kind of like peekaboo, and it's so cute. But yeah, I have this little Beanie Boo. That's a little fox. I have this little red one, and I have a gray one. And I got this little thing. It says Coca-Cola. Oh my god. Let me try to get this without knocking 5 things over, because that's what happens. This falls off my shelf a lot, but I don't know what this exactly is, but it's like a little tin, and it's really cool. It's like with Cracker Barrel and how it has all those posters. It reminds me of that. This is a yo-yo with my brother. The fox fell over, but I'll get it after. And this is a Star Wars. It used to light up. It doesn't anymore. But yeah, we have a little yo-yo. We have Finn from Adventure Time, who also fell over. But yeah, he usually just hangs out right here by the board. He's so cute. And then we have my cat again, because we just have lots of pictures. We have a Winnie the Pooh clock, which doesn't really work, but I still think it's cute. It's like ceramic or something, so it breaks easy. So it's like way in the back. I have a quill and like an ink. Well, right here, it's like, I don't want to take it out because it might knock over things. I have this little skeleton. His head kept falling off. I have no idea where his head is anymore. He's a Triceratops, though. And he just hangs out there and knocks things over. This has some special ornaments in it, like Christmas tree ornaments, and then this has a paw print of my dog that passed a couple of years ago. At this point, I have these two little foxes. I have a golden one and a regular one, and then this guy, which fell over and you didn't see. It's just a heart top little box that origami. It has like leopard spots. I have this little train. Like, I have a dolphin on my, because dolphins are my favorite animal on my dresser, but this is from Museum of Science and Industry. The dolphin is from the zoo. I have another one, which this is from the Indianapolis Children's Museum. This one, I have my little wine glass. I have this feather clip that I just keep in here because I don't know where else to put it. I have a little compass over here. I have all these things. These cute little animals that have no eyes. I don't know what they are, but I just thought they were cute and they're like fuzzy. They're like felted or something. And I have this little mirror compact thing that is like super heavy. I just think it looks cool. Like one of my favorite shows used to be like If Walls Could Talk. So like anything that's like older, I just love. So yeah, and then next is just the top. I'm gonna go through it real quick after I do these. I have this little thing, this little pumpkin hanging down, and then I have this little dream catcher also hanging off the little edge. So yeah, I'll just go up here. We have my two-person dolls. You can kind of see her Emma and Anna are their names. She actually has a little like reindeer rocking horse on her, so under her, so she's really cute. I have this snake that just hangs over. Have one of Donkey's kids. We have baby Groot back here. I have Max from Max and Ruby. I have this, what is his name? Link? Is that his name? Link, yeah. Now the sun is playing in my head. Link, he comes to town. Oh, that's fun. I have this little unicorn that I got the year my sister was born. I was holding this when she was born because she was born the 28th of December. So I was holding this when she was born. She's now 14 years old. I still have this little guy. I have some other little guys. I have a Hamburglar and a little bear thing. I have Rue in a Tigger costume and Piglet in a Tigger costume. Then back here I have Pooh and Eeyore. Eeyore's holding Forget-Me-Nots, and Pooh has a little Santa hat. So yeah, this is a rattlesnake, by the way. He like rattles. So yeah, so that's all of what's on this shelf that has a bazillion things on it. So yeah, bye.